Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Well, it has arrived. The ever so anticipated enhanced reversed proof Silver Eagle, dated 2019 with a limited mintage of 30,000. This has been all the rage lately, not only in this community, but as with collectors around the United States and even the world has captured the attention. You know, before I unbox this, I will say that the American Silver Eagle is the most widely distributed bullion coin in the world. And there's more of them out there than anything. And so, as collectors, there's something to be said about finding rare versions of these. You know, the previous one was 30,125, the 1995 W Proof Silver Eagle that was only available in a set with the gold eagles of all the different sizes of the gold eagles. So it was quite something. That set and that particular one has been in high demand and is very pricey. This is a lower mintage. I doubt this will perform as well because it was sold individually, and I think that also the collecting has changed over the years. But regardless, it is nice to see that some people had a chance to get this within this community. I've already seen 2 unboxings of this. One of them actually was able to get one with a certificate of authenticity signed by Dr. David Ryder. So this packaging, though, is to be leaves a lot to be desired. You can hear it just in there. So we're going to see this. We're going to unbox this thing. It's barely held together by tape right here. In fact, I can probably just cut that or take that with my fingers, but we're going to use a knife here and unbox this and see what we've got. Will we have one with a certificate of authenticity? There was only 100 of them that were signed. They are numbered, which is nice, but they were not... only 100 of them were signed by the director. So that it will be interesting to see which one we get. Here, we've got styrofoam there. Put that aside. And the coin itself is coming out of the package. There we go. There it is. All right. It is the American Eagle 1 ounce silver enhanced reverse proof coin. Very nice. There's the packaging. And the box that it comes in here. Very nice. Pull the lid off, and we can tell it's not signed because the signature would have been right there. The director would have put the number, which would have been 1 through 100, and then signed his name. But there is a facsimile signature on there. So maybe it is signed. Look, it's signed by the mint director. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at that. It pulsates there. All right. So here it is. The 2019 American Eagle 1 ounce silver enhanced reverse proof. Now, they are each numbered. So I have the 3,635 numbered COA attached to the coin. And here we can see the image of it, which is really... not a very good representation of what the coin is going to look like at all. But and then the inside we have the specifications, which include the diameter, the finish, and the thickness. Actually, it doesn't have the thickness. It just has the diameter and the weight. Very good. 1.000 troy ounces. Very good. Now here it doesn't give the mintage. I don't see a mintage on this. But, all right, very good. Exciting, exciting. Now, what you all have waiting for, and that is the coin itself. Let's see what kind of condition this is in. Somebody had mentioned that they received one of these and it was a scratch or something, so we're going to find out, make sure there's no issues with this. But here it is, the American Silver Eagle Enhanced Reverse Proof. Very nice, which is exactly the same as the one from the Pride of Two Nations set, except this has an S-mint mark. So what makes this, is that a scratch on the capsule? I'm hoping that is. I think it is on that side there. Let's see. There it is. It's the S. That's what makes it special. This is what makes this coin rare. That little mint mark. Right there. All right. Very good. It's a beautiful coin. Very well done by the United States Mint. I will say they definitely have done a wonderful job with this. It seems like they have really come into their own with these reverse proof type finishes. All right. This is amazing. Very nicely done. There you have it. And a reeded edge, as you can see there. And my dilemma, as I hold this coin and show it to you in this unboxing, is what to do with it. You know, I'm not really... I have some Silver Eagle sets that I've collected. I don't have the 2011 anniversary set, but I have the 2012 and 2013 sets, and I have the 2006 set as well too. But I don't really collect these kind of pieces a whole lot. I've got a couple of proofs, but I'm not necessarily, as a collector, tied to this as much as just, having them. And obviously I have the Pride of Two Nations sets. I guess in some ways I am a collector, but I'm not holding myself to get every single release of the American Silver Eagle. So my dilemma is this. I've been offered $800 or a half ounce of gold for this particular coin by my LCS. Should I take that offer now, striking while the iron is hot, or in this case, while the silver is frosted, reverse, and with several different finishes on it? What do you guys think? Post in the comment section below if I should take advantage of that and trade an ounce of gold trade an ounce of silver for a half ounce of gold. Seems like maybe a pretty good thing. Or I could do this. I could try to copy this signature and put the number on there and trick my LCS into thinking that this is a signed piece. They'll never watch this video. They'll be none the wiser. And but yeah, I could try that out. No, I would never do that to anybody. But this is it. This is the enhanced reverse proof Silver Eagle, and the question about this as far as a collector market, it's obvious that coin collecting is it's getting exciting again, and I think things like this are a part of it. And despite the frustration, because I understand, and I was resigned to the fact that I wouldn't get one of these. I was very surprised, actually, that one did arrive, or that I got the confirmation emails that the purchase did go through. But there was a lot of frustrations in ordering this coin. A lot of people were disappointed, angry, rightfully so, that the mint didn't see this coming or find some way to kind of handle the traffic the way they did, because people took time out of their schedules to be there to make it happen, including myself, only to have it crash on the first seconds of trying to place an order. Unless you had tried to make that order happen through persistence, and even some people were persistent, tried again, and still came up short. And except for that, it is exciting to see collecting sort of making a comeback. And I think things like this, especially with such a high-profile piece such as this, I think is what's going to really excite the hobby. But in my opinion, I never really have been one to collect because of a change of a letter, or a change of a year. I like the coin because of a design. And there's really no difference other than the finish of this coin, which we could have gotten one for, the enhanced, the Pride of Two Nations set. It's the same coin, just a different mint mark. And there's not noticeably a lot of difference that I see in the way this was finished than what the West Point did. So but it is exciting to see collecting and how much this has sparked conversation and interest in collecting. So post your thoughts below about this particular coin and about this unboxing, and what do you think I should do? Should I trade it in for a half ounce of gold, or $800? I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.